All right, guys, it's the Sunday before car week, and I'm gonna prep the turbo for a couple shows. Let's go. I got my top-notch cleaning crew ready to work. You ready, Nelly? Oh, you're ready. It's way too hot. All right, next up, before we buff and polish, clay bar. Next step, let's get to buffing. It's way too hot to buff and polish outside. Alrighty guys, car's buffed. Last step, we're gonna hit it with some polish before we ceramic coat. It's been a long day. Last step is ceramic coating. I've never done this before in a car, and I'm kind of nervous, but I just watched the entire Adams Polishes video on how to do it, so I'm feeling kind of confident. Let's get to it. Ooh, graphene ceramic coating. Surface prep. Graphene boost. All right, let's do it. All right guys, it's time. Graphene ceramic coating advanced on this applicator. So how do you know when it's done? It's like sticky, right? I think that was in the video. It's like you should feel it stick.
Yeah, not dry. How many minutes now?
It's been maybe 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes. So I'm gonna knock it down with this, and I'm gonna finish it with that. Yeah, that video is helpful.
Yeah, the video is helpful. That's what I.
And apparently you can do your windshield.
You can?
Yeah.
Let's do it next time.
Yeah. It's been 8 hours and I'm finally done with ceramic coating. I'm tired, but we're gonna run it back on my dad's car. Let's go. Car 2. All right, guys, it's like 1 in the morning. I've been detailing cars since 10 a.m., so I'm tired. I'm gonna get some rest because tomorrow is Porsche Monterey Classic.
The next day.
All right, first time seeing the cars out since we ceramic coated yesterday. I think it came out pretty nice. If you guys see any high spots, let me know.